Okay, so this is my review for the Binnune wireless gaming headset. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but as you can see here, it's USB wireless. Works with the PC, Mac, PS4, and the PS5. Okay, and it's at 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode. Okay, and works with music, games, movie, and all that good stuff. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so we got that. Okay, so we've got real soft ear covers. Fits right over your ears. Nice on the inside. Okay, really soft on the headrest. Okay, and we got a microphone here. The only thing that I look at and I see so far, it should have had one of those filter sponge to go over it. So that's the thing that I see right offhand that I wish it had. Okay. Alright, so what we got here? We got our manual, of course. Okay. Alright, so we've got this piece for direct connection if we want to connect directly to a computer. This looks like it's about 6 feet. Okay. And this is the charger for the Bluetooth, the wireless. And this is our USB where we have our drivers and everything to connect. Alright, so what we got here, we got the charging port there. We got the piece for direct connection if we want to go straight to the computer. So I like the functionality that it gives you, both direct connection and the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So we've got a volume up, we've got a power buttons here, and then we got our mute button here. Okay, so I mean, if you're a left-handed person, then you could be more comfortable with it on the side. If you prefer, you could always flip it around, and actually it does not allow you to flip it around, so you'll only have it on the left hand side. I wish it was bi-directional where I could also flip this all the way around, so I could have this on my right side if I wanted to. Okay, so right, I'm gonna plug it up now, plug it up to the computer and see how it sounds as far as the sound quality goes. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and turn it on and see. Okay, so here it says power on there, and now it's just waiting for me to connect to the computer and to be paired. Alright, so let's go do that. Okay, so I'm gonna connect USB. Okay, and it automatically says connected, so there was no configuration needed. Just plug in the USB and you're good to go. Now let's switch to it and see. Let's see if I could zoom in here. Let's switch to, okay, so it's automatically switched to it and it's connected. Now let's see how it sounds. So it's sounding really good. And the thing I like about it, once I go ahead and hit the power button, if I'm watching the video like I'm doing right now, it automatically pauses the video. So if I go ahead and just tap the power button again one more time, it plays the video, which is really cool. Okay, so now I've got it connected directly, and I'm going to switch over to my computer so you could hear the sound from it.